Unboxing video na naman tayo. This one, blind buys ko sa Enzo Scents. We have 4 perfumes dito. Simulan na natin. Very quick and first impression review lang to. Let's go. One, 2, 3, 4. Wow, 5. May palibre. Seryoso ba to? Thank you talaga sa extra bottle. Na-excite na ako ano itong tinagdag nyo sa pinili ko. First bottle. So this is the most wanted parfum. Spray test. Ginger spice vanilla woody fragrance. Very warm, sweet, spicy, and slightly gourmand. Perfect for evening wear, date nights, cool weather. So this one, a 9 out of 10. Second bottle, Aqua di Gio. So this one guys, namoy ko na yung OG na ito. Then, tingnan natin kung gaano kalapit yung take ni Enzo Scents. Solid 85% closed sa OG. Bango. Crisp citrus, very aquatic, aromatic, floral notes, and with a soft woody base. Very refreshing. You can wear this on daily casual wear, summer, or anytime. Sobrang versatile. I'd give this one 8.5 out of 10. So, third bottle. Scandal Pour Homme. So, spray test. Bright mandarin orange citrus, sweet caramel, and some earthiness beneath the sweetness, though the gourmand aspect tends to dominate. So, very playful yung scent, suited for cold weather or nights out. I'll give this a 7.5 out of 10. So, the fourth bottle, Vulgari Extreme. Spray test tayo. Zesty citrus, woody, fresh scent with a green twist. Feels clean and elegant. This is a refined everyday freshie. So, I give this a 8 out of 10. So, the fifth and last bottle. Again, thank you Enzo Scents sa free 50 ml. So, this is the Eclat Men. I believe this is the Eclat d'Arpège inspired. Testingin na natin. Bright citrus burst. Aromatic fresh scent with slight floral, woody musk undernotes. Easygoing, perfect for warm weather, everyday fresh scent. Amoy fresh linen para sa akin. May bagong laba. Napakabango. I'd give this a 20 out of 10. Napaka-solid. Safest to blind buy para sa akin, marirecommend ko sa Freshies itong Eclat Men or Eclat Men. Sa dalawang for night or cold setting, itong the most wanted parfum. But if you want yung lavender yung atake instead of ginger, I'll recommend yung Born in Roma Intense nila or yung Biri. So paparate ko guys sa girlfriend ko lahat yung 5 cents na to. So unahin natin tong the most wanted parfum. Ayaw niya magpakita, nahihiya daw siya eh. Ito guys, newbie lang din siya sa fragrances, kagaya ko. Tuto lang din siya sa akin eh. Okay siya sa'yo. 8 din. Most wanted perfume, 8 out of 10. Next, yung Aqua di Gio. Bango, di ba? No?
Very manly.
Very manly, no? Yung mga mukhang Sunday golfer talaga.
7.
7 out of 10. To Scandal Pour Homme.
8.
8 yan, no? Nice. Itong Vulgari Extreme, paamoy natin sa kanya.
Super fresh. I'll give it 7.
7. Then, last yung Eclat Men.
This one, I like. 8.5.
8.5, okay. Ayan guys, kayo na bahala kung anong gusto nyong itry. Solid yung 4 na nabili kong fragrance. Solid lahat for me. Itatry ko na lang kung ano yung performance niya. Hindi ko pa sinusubukan to eh. So if ever gusto nyong malaman, comment down below. Like and follow for more fragrances like this. Peace out.